Once everything is configured, we'll click Save to confirm the changes. Let's enable View All so the member can see all the content within the organization. Next, we'll activate Update, allowing them to update and categorize content. We'll also enable Delete so they can remove content when needed. We'll keep Reassign Ownership disabled for now, as we don't want this role to manage content ownership transfers. The same goes for Manage Categories and Publish Web Tools, which we'll leave off. Next, let's enable Share Member Content with Organization to allow internal content sharing. We'll also enable Share Member Content with Public so they can share content publicly. Lastly, we'll leave Create and Manage Administrative Reports disabled since this role doesn't need that responsibility. Let's move on to the ArcGIS Marketplace Subscriptions section. First, let's enable Create and Manage, which allows the member to create listings, list items, and manage subscriptions within the ArcGIS Marketplace. This includes managing purchasers and contact information for your organization. Next, we'll leave Purchase and Get Free Products disabled for now, as we don't want this role to handle purchasing or accessing free products from the marketplace just yet. Finally, we'll keep Start Trials off, as this role won't be managing trial subscriptions at the moment. Last part we need to configure is Organization Settings. We'll leave Security and Infrastructure disabled for now, as this role won't handle those settings. Let's enable Organization Website to allow the member to manage the website settings. We'll also activate collaborations so they can handle organizational collaborations. We'll keep credits enabled to give them control over the organization's credit budgeting. For now, we'll leave member roles and utility services off, as this role doesn't require those responsibilities. Once everything is configured, we'll click Save to confirm the changes. Finish configuring the role and its privileges. Let's review how it looks. The description we added appears alongside the privileges we assigned, giving us a good summary of what the role can and cannot do. Of course, if we're not satisfied, we can always go back and edit it by selecting the three dots and choosing Edit. You could also delete it if needed. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.